Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the BOSCH air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button of the air conditioner, with the help of which we can change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Since the vast majority of the users use the cooling mode of the air conditioners, we start explaining this mode. We press the mode button several times, and when the snowflake icon appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, set the temperature to 24-25 degrees Celsius. Staying in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time can cause a cold. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 fan speeds: auto, low, medium, and high. You can select a low fan speed so that the fan sound of the air conditioner does not disturb you in the bedroom. We press the mode button again, a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is a drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. To switch the air conditioner to heating mode, we press the mode button again. A sun symbol appears on the screen. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above the 26 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce electricity consumption, it is recommended to set it to 26 degrees Celsius. In this mode, setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode will make the air conditioner work more efficiently, because the air conditioner fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor. At the same time, the air conditioner evaporator will be covered with snow when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button, and when this icon appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. We press the mode button again, a fan icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner works just like a regular fan. When you press the mode button again, this icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the temperature in the house at the skimming level. For example, if we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in heating mode if the temperature is lower than this indicator, and in cooling mode if it is higher. The swing button is used to move the blinds of the air conditioner or stop them in any position. Sometimes, when it is very hot, we want the air conditioner to cool our house quickly. In this case, we press the turbo button of the air conditioner, and the air conditioner runs at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes. After this time, it returns to the previous mode. It is possible to turn the light of the air conditioner with the help of the display button. To set the clock, we press and hold the clock button for a few seconds. We see that the clock is flashing. We set the clock with the help of the temperature button. AM means before noon, PM means afternoon. After setting the clock, we remove our finger and the clock will stop after flashing several times. After setting the clock, we can use the timer mode. You can use the timer on mode when you want the air conditioner to turn on at a specific time, and the timer off mode when you want it to turn off. Thank you for following us until the end.